Alright, I'm here to take a video of the mouse double-click issues. I have the website open, and I have the mouse here in front of me so you can see when I initiate any clicks. See the mouse is on my screen right about there. Let me reset it. Oh, there was one that didn't turn red. Oh, there it goes. Now I'm just clicking once every like 1 second. We've already had 3 double clicks. Ooh, there was like 4 clicks on one. So we got quite a bit of double clicks. There was 4 double clicks in there. I think there was even more, but it didn't register those after 23 clicks. Let me finish registering some of those clicks. Oh, that one clicked a bunch of times. Here, so you can see that I'm not doing anything tricky. Yeah, there's one. You can see I'm just steadily clicking once every second or so. I'll just do this left click 100 times so you can see. Ooh, I got exactly 1 second. I'm good. I'm not clicking particularly hard. Whoa, there was like 3 clicks on one. Wow. Alright, so there was quite a bit. That's 102 clicks on the left mouse button. I'll try the right mouse button now. Let's reset. I'll click the right mouse button. Whoops. Let me move it up. Okay, ready? I'll just do one every second again. Doesn't seem... sometimes it registers a click when I lift off. So let me try clicking a bit faster. This one doesn't seem to do it quite as frequently. But it's definitely registering clicks when I release the mouse button too. Yeah, you see that? Down, down, down and up. Just did it. Wow, I just clicked once, kind of a little bit more firm, and it registered 3 clicks all at once. So not quite as often on the right side, but the left side did it quite frequently. And no matter how often I tried the left and the right, like the thumb buttons, I could never get the thumb buttons to have the problem. To spare you going to 100, I'll just go to 25, because I've already tested this. Yeah, there was 25 on the forward button. We'll try 25 on the back button. $50. Yeah. So this is after I've canavaired it, sprayed it out. It's currently connected to the motherboard. It's not using the wireless. Trying to think what else. And there's no firmware updates for it. Tested using the G-Hub settings. There's no software updates for the G-Hub software, and there's also no updates for the mouse itself. Let's see. The mouse's firmware is 709, and there should be like a firmware update button, I think, here. I've actually never seen it. But if that's not the right up-to-date version, let me know, and I can try to get the firmware updated. But I've already updated the receiver. That didn't help either. So hope that's helpful.